What's up, guys? As you guys can see, I'm back. Um, I'm in. Oh my god, I'm in Netherlands right now, and I'm in a hotel, and it's 6:50 p.m. right now, and I'm streaming. So, what should we play now? Let me just share my screen real quick. Wait, guys, wait a minute. Oh, I'm still playing Roblox though. How? Okay, no problem.